When you know the right information about the sewing machines, their features, their benefits, or what they cannot do, then you can make a better and informed decision to choose the best and durable and long lasting sewing machine for you. These sewing machines are good for sewing, designing, embroidery. So let's check out if they are right for you. The first three machines I am reviewing are under 10,000 rupees. These are for beginners and very user friendly. The special thing about Singer machines is their metal body is durable and strong. So the machine lasts very long. Design is classic white color. You just switch on the machine as soon as you get it. You got the light also, bobbin winder, that is automatic bobbin winder, 8 built-in stitches for designing embroidery, and 750 SPM, that is stitch per minute. So this is a nice, easy to operate. If you want a machine better than Dream Stitch, which is faster than Dream Stitch, then Singer Promise 1408 is the machine for you. These are some of the applications you get with this machine. For embroidery purpose, you get a darning plate with Singer machines. The second machine we will talk about is Singer 1304 Start. As the name suggests, this is the right machine for the starters or the beginners. The benefit of this machine is, if we compare it with Dream Stitch and this Singer Start 1304 have same number, 6 number of built-in stitches. All the features are same. One thing that is better in Singer 1304 is its speed. The speed, that is stitch per minute, is 750. Whereas in Dream Stitch you get only 550 stitch per minute. So if we compare the cost and the features, Singer 1304 is durable and better. These are some of the application you get with Singer. You get a darning plate with Singer. The most popular and hot selling sewing machine in last 2 years is of course Usha Janome Dream Stitch. The main reason why it is hot selling is, one, its attractive design, very easy to use interface, 6 built-in stitches and 550 SPM. Though the SPM, stitch per minute, is very low in this machine, but this machine is the only machine that is good for very beginners, the sewing lovers who are starting to stitch for the first time. With basic applications and basic settings, you can simply take out the machine and make beautiful 4-step buttonhole and different type of zigzag and straight stitches, picot, beading, your zipper fixing, piping fixing, and whole lot of other features. You can do these type of stitches with other machines also, but the main USP of Dream Stitch is its low speed. The fourth machine that I review is Brother GS1700. As the name suggests, Brother GS1700 means 117 features or inbuilt stitches that you get with this machine. I myself love the beautiful and sturdy, durable Brother machines, but the only problem that comes with Brother machines is availability of service. The next machine we review in this list is Singer Start 1306. This is a classic beautiful white sewing machine with the simple applications, inbuilt 6 inbuilt stitches, and the same features, same kind of beautiful work experience you get with a Dream Stitch. The 4-step buttonhole, zipper, piping, embroidery stitches, you get all these things and a faster speed. If you get confused which one to use, Usha or Singer, then I suggest you take your call, because Singer machines are good because of their durable and strong body, classic design, but Usha Janome is more popular because of its attractive designs and service and spare parts availability. Besides these two sewing machine brands, we have Brother. Brother is a US based brand. It's a nice good machine, and GS2700 provides 27 built-in stitches, one step buttonhole, and stitch length, width controller, automatic needle threader. So many nice beautiful features at a very nominal reasonable cheap price. But the only problem with the Brother sewing machines is they do not provide the demo and service, so that you have to manage yourself. If you can do that, then Brother is one of the best machine you can go for. Even the body of the machine, that is also strong. The features are nice, but it is a new entrant in India. So let's check out our next machine, that is Usha Genome Allure Deluxe. Usha Genome Allure Deluxe is a beautiful pink color design machine. This is stitching lovers or the people who love to stitch on regular basis. This is the best machine for them. The 13 built-in stitches and 21 applications with a speed of 860 makes it a nice machine, even if you want to keep it for some designing and embroidery work in your boutique or home boutique service. It is not a heavy duty machine. Allure Deluxe is a good machine if you want to stitch and design for a long term and want to explore your creative side. The next machine we are reviewing is very special because this Brother GS3700 not only gives you 37 inbuilt designs and one whole button stitch and all the lot features in a very low cost, but it also gives you an extension table. This extension table is very special because it gives you more space to do your stitching, and you can spread your dress properly and make the designs easily. The next machine in our review list is Usha Genome Wonder Stitch. Wonder Stitch is a wonderful machine, beautiful body, beautiful design. The only difference between its lower models and Wonder Stitch, that Wonder Stitch provides you auto needle threader. You get 13 built-in stitches and 21 stitch applications. With the different combination of stitching length and width, you can make many more embroidery designs with all these design stitches. The electric motor is inbuilt in all these machines, and the design is design pattern. Manual is given with the machine. If you want to check how an automatic machine works or how you should operate a zigzag machine, then I have given the same video with the detailed how to operate a zigzag sewing machine on Stitching Mall Hindi channel. So please check that, and that will clear all your doubts about stitching, designing and everything related to a zigzag or automatic sewing machine. So some of the accessories that comes with Wonder Stitch are given in this free armhole. In all the machines, these are the some of the applications you get for zigzag or needle, thread, spool pin. All these things you get with all the machines. Number 10 is my sewing machine Usha Genome Stitch Magic that I have shared with you in many videos, and latest I shared 24 inbuilt stitches also. But in this machine you get 57 embroidery inbuilt stitches and the speed is 860 SPM, two dials for pattern selection. Machine is heavier as compared to all other machines. This is about 10 kg, and you get a carrying case, and this machine is expensive than all other models because the foot pedal is better quality, the cover is better quality, and the features are more, though the cost is not very different. So all these things that you get with these machine, the simple free sewing kit that you get, that you need to check with a special description. So what to do when you don't get a demo? You can go to Stitching Mall Hindi Urdu or Stitching Mall this channel and check out the automatic sewing machine or Usha Genome tutorials. In case you have any doubt related to buying a sewing machine or which sewing machine is right for you, how to operate a machine, you can drop your message in the below description box or comment box, and I will answer you. You can also reach me on Instagram or Facebook. Otherwise, I have also written a detailed comparison review sheet on stitchingmore.com that you can please check out to clear your doubts. And please let me know how did you like this video, which machine did you like, and let me know how you want these reviews to be better. Please subscribe the channel, like this video, and share the video with those who need it the most. Thank you so much for watching.